You can't do affiliate marketing in India.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Unless you follow these steps.
Okay.
Step 1. Gain knowledge. Knowledge sharpens our skills in reasoning and problem solving. A strong base of knowledge helps brains function more smoothly and effectively. I recommend BizGurukul courses to gain knowledge. But why choose BizGurukul? Now, it comes to the best online course. Without a doubt, BizGurukul courses are worth the money because it offers plenty of benefits, including organized content, in-depth expertise, optimal length video content to gain more retention, affordable pricing, no language barrier, and more.
Oh my god! Wow!
Step 2. Maintain focus and discipline. Making the switch from a conventional lifestyle to becoming an affiliate marketer is challenging for many reasons, especially when it comes to staying focused and disciplined. You have to avoid distractions like social media and build habits that impact your business positively. Step 3. Focus on keeping emotions in check. The majority of affiliates will admit that they are accustomed to emotions like despondency, rage, and disappointment. Elite marketers, however, never allow their feelings to control their behavior. Negative feelings are common, so maintain your composure, evaluate the outcomes, make a plan, and go forward. Step 4. Develop your creativity. Copying the strategies of other affiliates is inherently unsustainable because you will continually lag behind and only earn a small portion of the pie. Being original and coming up with enticing concepts that have not been used before is the best method to buck this trend. Sound difficult? Then, rather than viewing it as work, let inspiration take the reins and follow it to whatever it leads.